Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So we are in May. Today is May the 8th, 2023, and we're going to be harvesting some Nigella here, and we're going to be harvesting the pods. Now there's two different ways that you can harvest Nigella. You can harvest it for the flowers, which are these beautiful flowers right here. They come in many different colors. Or you can wait until they produce the seed pods. Now this is how I like to harvest mine. I do mine for the seed pods. But like I said, you can use these for the cut flower production as well. So I'm going to be cutting these here. Now there's different types of pods. One is an all green pod. And then there's another that has the purple hues or stripes on, like back here. And there's one down here. This one here is just starting to get the purple coloring in it. And these are beautiful when you dry them. You can use them in your regular fresh cut flower arrangements. It all depends on what you want for your cut flower production. Like I said, I like the pods, but you can also use the flowers as well. So we're going to get these cut here.
I'm coming in to get a zoom up.
Okay. So let's see here. Let me follow this down here. Now this here has a branch on it, and that's going to give me another flower there. Let's see, what all do I got here?
This is what gets hard for me to see.
Okay, I'm going to cut it right here. And I'm going to let all these other branches branch off and keep producing my flowers for me, because this is long enough for what I need right here. I'm going to step up into here and keep harvesting more out of here. Now, I like the pods when they're larger like this. When they're first starting to come, they are smaller like this, or you have ones like this. I prefer them when they're more, I'm going to call them plump, is the word that I'm going to use for them. That's how I like to take mine. Back through here. Where's this one here at? So that's okay. I'm just cutting this down here. This one here has a nice coloring to it. Step up on here. Gotta watch where I step. We have ladybugs in here, and we have praying mantises in here. So, trying to make sure I don't step on anything. And you can do 2 to 3 week plantings of this to keep a nice supply of it going. I'm cutting down here right at the Y, because I'm going to let this one here continue to go here, so I'll have my pod off of this one here. Just gonna lay these right here for now. But yeah, like I said, you can do 2 to 3 week plantings on these apart. We call it successive sowing. So you can keep getting your fresh supply of your flowers and your pods. But what I found is, for my growing, I have limited space where I'm growing mine at. Oops, I cut that one a little long. Oh well. So I just keep taking the pods off, making sure I keep everything nice and watered, and I get a nice supply of pods off of mine. So this was an experiment, growing these in the bed house here to see what they would do. And they're doing very well, which I'm very pleased with how well they're doing for me. Kind of curious to see how long these are actually going to go. Now you do want to keep your soil moist, and we have the drip irrigation system that we use in here. And we just turn our timers on and we let them just go, and we let it just keep our stuff nice and watered for us. But these get full sun, and it does get actually quite warm in this greenhouse, and we have fans running that run in it, but it's doing very well. I mean, you can see the plants, how much they've grown here, and we've been harvesting off of these. This is a gorgeous pure green one there. Oh, there's an aphid there. Well, we have the ladybugs in here, and they have made a tremendous difference for us on the pest pressure in this greenhouse.
Okay.
So they are working. I have to step down a little bit. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna let this one get a little larger. But look at these beautiful blue colors. Gorgeous. I'm gonna grab all my pods here.
Oh, that's a touch.
Whoops, yep. Hold on here. Try and work these out of here. Kind of got them mixed up in here some. Okay, let's see. What all do I got down in here? That one's just coming. Yeah, the marigolds are kind of, they sort of fell over into the Nigella. But everything's growing. We have a volunteer celosia here. Okay, let's see. I believe I got all of them here. Oh, here's a stray one. I'm gonna let this one here get bigger and more of the purple coloring in it. So you can see what I got here.
Okay.
Let me get out of this. Okay, so I got down out of there. I had to get a ladybug off of me because one of them decided that apparently it wanted to come on me. I don't know. So we got it back on the plants there. And you can see here we still have all of these flowers here blooming. Now, I'm hoping that as long as I keep taking the seed pods off of these, an annual plant, its purpose is to come up, produce seeds, and then they die. So by removing the seed pods, these plants are not going to seed. So it should keep them continually blooming for me. And as long as, you know, I'm cutting where the branches are coming off, they should keep blooming. And then with the plant foods, that's going to help them to keep going. So it's going to be interesting to actually see how long this crop goes and, you know, how well it does. I'm really curious to find that out. So we do have some pink ones in here. You can see here's a pink one. And like I said, I have two different varieties here. They got mixed up when I put them in here. I have the Love and a Mist variety, and then I have the white, which produces the green pods. I'll put the name of that one on there. I'm not sure the name of that one, but I'll look on the pack. I know which one it is, but I'm not sure of the name itself off the top of my head. But look how pretty these are when they're first coming. And then as they open, like some will open single, and then you have your doubles here. And you can direct seed these out. These here were started early, and then they were transplanted into here because I had everything else, you know, kind of growing, and I wanted to have them like in a certain space. So I did start these early. But yeah, you can just direct seed these out if you choose to, and that will work well for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video on how to harvest your Nigella and some growing tips here. And like I said, these are getting full sun. So these are full sun. We keep our soil moist, not soggy. I'm trying to think what else. Good drainage. You want good drainage on it. And as these continue to grow, you know, I'll be coming back with different tours and stuff. And we'll see how long they bloom. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!